In this video we will go through some questions of exercise 10D and 10E, that is time and work. We will do some questions of time and work and some questions of exercise 10D. Now you can see question number 7. They are saying that 90 men can complete a work in 24 days working 8 hours. How many men are required to complete the same work in 18 days working 7 whole 1 by 2 hours? Now here you have to find how many men can complete the work in 18 days working 7 whole in 1 by 2 hours. Now student, whenever we have this type of question, we just simply multiply men, day and hour, whatever is given, and whatever they have asked we just put question mark and write rest of the thing on the beside that and put equal to sign, because we put equal to sign because the work is same, amount of work is same, that is why we put equal to sign here, and whatever we have to find we have to write in question mark. So 90 men can work 24 days working 8 hours can complete the same amount of work. So they are asking how many men will be needed if the work has to be finished in 18 days working 7 whole 1 by 2 hours. Now here we will just find m, that is number of men, and for this we have to just keep this number of men alone over here on the left hand side and write all the things in the denominator. So this is 90 into 24 into 8, and this will be upon 18, and this will go in numerator and 15 will come in denominator, and then we will solve this. We'll get the answer as 128 men. That is, men required will be, men needed is 128 men are needed to finish the work in 18 days working 7 whole 1 by 2 hours. I hope you are clear with this question. The next question is question number 8. They are saying 12 typists all working with the same speed can type certain number of pages in 18 days working 8 hours, and then how many hours. Now this time they are asking how many hours per day must 16 typists work in order to type the same number of pages in 9 days. Now work is same, that is number of pages is same, so we will put equal to sign and write whatever is given. So here typist, you can say typist, they are men, so 12 men are required, then they are completing in 18 days working 8 hours, and they are asking how many hours. So we will put, this time we will put question mark r, we will put r in a question mark, and then 16 men working 9 days. Now r we will put alone and just find it by simplifying it. All these things will come in denominator and we will get the answer as 12 hours. Next question, you can see, next question is 9th question. 24 horses consume 18 quintals in 36 days. How long will 28 quintals last for 30 hours? Now this quintal will come in denominator because this is neither day, this is neither hour, this is amount of work. So amount of work is always written in denominator. 24 horses can finish it in 36 days. They are asking how many days. That 30 horses consuming 28 quintals. So this time they are asking about days. So again we will just solve it by cross multiplication and simplify it. We have to find days here, so this will be written as it is, and then this will go in denominator and this will come in, this will go in the numerator and this will come in denominator, and we will solve the get answer as 140 upon 3, that is 46 whole 2 by 3 days. Now the next question is question number 11. Question number 11 is also a good question. Question number 11, they are saying that a contractor undertakes to build a wall of 100-meter long in 50 days. Now he takes a contract to build a wall of 100-meter long in 50 days. Now they are saying if he employs 56 men and but at the end of 27 days he finds that 448 meter of the wall has been built. So now he has to employ some extra men so that the wall can be completed in the given period of time, that is 50 days. Now here we will just see this question. Here the number of employees 56 and length of the wall is 100 and he has to finish in 50 days. Now in 27 days 448 meter of the walls can be built. Now remaining days is 50 minus 27, that is 23 days are still left and he has to finish this much amount of length of wall, that is 100 meter of the wall he has to finish. So the length of the wall which is left is 552. So 56 men is needed to complete in 27 days and the wall finishing is 448 meter of the wall is only getting finished. But here they are asking how many men, so we will put men in question mark and it is getting finished in 23 days and wall left is 552 which has to be finished. So for here from here we will just find m as we have done in previous questions, and then we will solve the value, then we will find the value of m, that is number of men which is required is 81. Now extra men which will be needed to finish the wall of 100 meter in 50 days only is 81 minus 56, that is 25 men will be required extra so that the work can finish in the given time period, that is work can be finished in 50 days, otherwise it will take long. Now the next exercise is exercise 10e and the topic is time and work. Now student, this is also a very interesting topic. You can see question number 1. A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can do in 15 days. How long they can finish it in working together? Now if the A and B can work together, how they will finish the work? Now student, first of all you have to understand something in the questions is that A can do a work in 10 days and B can do it in 15 days. Now here first of all we have to find the total amount of work, and total amount of work is always the LCM of the days which is given. So LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. This is the total work. 30 is the total work which has to be finished. Now A's 1 day work is 3. Now how we got 3 here? We have just divided 30 divided by 10. So we got 3. And how we got 2 here? B's 1 day work, it is 2. How we got 2? We have just divided 30 upon 15, that is 2. Now total work will be 5, that is A plus B can do 5 work in 1 day. So the A and B can finish it in how many days? That is they have to do total amount of work and they have the efficiency to do 5 work. So 30 upon 5, that is 6 days. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is saying A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 whole 2 by 3 days and B alone can do in 10 days. How long will A take it to do it alone? Now A plus B can do it in 6 whole 2 by 3 days, that is 20 by 3 days. B can do it in 10 days. Now here we will find the LCM of 20 by 3 and 10, which is 20 by 3. We only have find the LCM of numerators. So LCM of 10 and 20 is 20 and denominator will be 3. So A plus B is 1 day work is 1. How we got 1? We have just divided 20 by 3 upon 25 by 20 by 3 upon 20 by 3. So we got 1 here. And next is B's 1 day work is 2 by 3. How we got 2 by 3? We have just divided 20 by 3 divided by 10, so it will be multiplied by 1 by 10, and then 10 1 is 10 2 is 22 by 3. This is 2 by 3. So A plus B can work, 1 day's work is 1, and B's 1 day work is 2 by 3. So from here we have just found it out the 1 day work of A, which is 1 day work of A alone, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 work is being done by A. So A can do it in how many days? We have to just divide the total amount of work by number of work done by A. So it will be 20 by 3 divided by 1 by 3, that is 20 days. The next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is saying that A can do a work in 15 days, B can do in 20 days. If they work together on it for 4 days, what fraction of work will be left? Now they are asking fraction of work left. Now here A can do in 15, B can do in 20. So LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. That is total amount of work. Now A's 1 day work is 4 and B's is 3. How we got 4? We have just divided 60 by 15 and 20 by 16. 60 by 15 and 60 by 20. We got 4 and 3. Now total work is 7. Now you can see AB, they are working for 4 days, so it will be 28. They are completing 28 work left is 60 minus 28, that is 32. So it can be finished in 60 upon 32, that is 15 by 8 days. So this is the amount of work which is left, that is 50 by 8. The next question is question number 5. A and B working together can mow a field in 56 days with the help of C. They could have mowed in 42 days. How long would C take to mow the field by himself? Now A and B can mow a field in 56 days. ABC can do it in 42 days. LCM of 56 and 42 is 168. So we will just found 1 day work of A plus B and A plus B plus C, that is 3 and 4. We have just divided 168 by 56 and 168 by 42. Now from here we got A plus B equal to 4, and AB we got the value of AB as 3, so we have substituted the value of AB here as 3 and solved the value and got the answer for C, which is 1. So C can do it in 168 by 1, which is 168 by 1 days. From here we found that C's capacity of doing work is 1. He can only finish one work. So in 1 day he can only finish one work. So the total amount of work is 68. So he will be finishing it in 168 upon 1, that is 168 days. The next question is question number 8. Question number 8 is a different question. A can finish a piece of work in 15, B can do it in 10. They work together for 2 days and B goes away. How many days will A finish the remaining work? Now A can do it in 15, B can do it in 10. Together they are doing, total amount of work is 30. So A 1 day work is 2 and B's is 3. Total they are doing 5 work. Now they are working for 2 days, that is 5 into 2 and 10 work is being finished. So the remaining work is 30 minus 10, that is 20. So A can finish. Now they are asking how long A will take to finish the remaining work. So the remaining work is 20 and A will take, you can see A's capacity is 2, so the work which is left is 20, so 20 divided by 2, that is 10 days. A will take 10 days to finish the work. Students, here these question of time and work I have done with the method which I have shown you, that is the by taking the LCM and taking that LCM as the total amount of work. You can also do the questions as per the examples given. They have taken 1 upon 80 and they have taken 1 as the total work. Here you can see A can do a piece of work in 80, B in 100, so they took the work of A as 1 upon 80 and B as 1 upon 100. You can do by this method, or you can do by the method which I have told you, that is the LCM method, in which the LCM which is taken is the total amount of work. So you can do either by this method or the method which is given in the book. Both are correct.